Perishing fob into dispense mode.
I won't be a minute, sir.
Husbandry will haunt you. You should have your empties by the door and full ones in readiness. Look how this fool is going up the creek without a perishing paddle. He's going to end up in a right old mess on this rate. What's perishing to do and no mistake? Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Look here. An absolute litany of failures that could have been avoided with some simple training. Turn off the gas, sanitize your connections and have your new cable ready. Reconnect and then switch on gas. Leave your fob detector until completely full and make sure the float rises to the top. Lastly, put the fob detector back into dispense mode. In summary, remember, don't be like Babcock. Follow these correct procedures and don't ruin your customer's day. Take heed and avail yourself of some Avani snippets available on the electrical interwebs. Cheerio!